Hello all, and today we will talk about how to move ants from one test tube to the another one. Let's go. There comes a time when the ants stay in the test tube and you decided to transfer them to a new clean test tube. Now I tell you several ways how can you do this. The first step is preparing a new clean incubator for our ants. You can see how to make an incubator in the video on my channel. And so, the first way is fast enough. Just connect two tubes and knot lightly so that a mother will fly into another tube. It is convenient for single queen or small colonies. The downside is that the method provides a lot of stress for our queen or colonies. The second method is my favorite, especially useful for those who have a lot of colonies that need to be relocated. Also, this method delivers much less stress to our ants. For this method, we need tape. We just take out the cotton wool and glue the tubes, as on the video. And then everything depends on our ants. There are those who will go on themselves after a few minutes, but this is very rare. For speed up, you can dark a new tube. If that doesn't help, then there are two more solutions. The first one is to gently warm up the old test tube. Then the ants will leave the old one as there will be uncomfortable conditions. But be extremely careful, as there are stubborn ants who will not want to leave their home. And they will just sit there until they are fried. The second method is more efficient and safer. Place a sufficiently bright lamp over the old test tube. It is desirable to use LED lamp, as ants can be fried with an ordinary lamp. The advantage of this method is that you can make a lot of test tubes, and while you are making test tubes, some of the ants will already change the test tube, after which we just need to plug the test tube with cotton. In my opinion, I told you the best and the easiest way to change the tube for our ants. Of course, there are some other methods how you can change the tubes, but these three is the best way to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your finger up. Thank you.